Stop switching tabs. Seriously, if you're still opening a new window every time you need to ask ChatGPT a quick question, you are wasting hours of your life. In this video, I'm going to show you how I use Atlas browser to put a very smart brain right in your sidebar. It's instant, it's always there, and it's completely changed how I browse the internet. Let's dive in. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and open up the Atlas browser. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. And this is the Atlas browser. It's based on Chrome, and I have a task that I need. And I want to show you how I use Atlas browser. And you can have this feature if you have it installed. I believe it's available on Windows. On MacBook, you can install ChatGPT on your desktop and you can take screenshots. But you have to go back and forth to ChatGPT. Atlas browser is all built in. So here is one of my websites I have is realestategenius.net. I need to update the terms and conditions. Very boring stuff. We're using a calling service, and part of it's text. And the service didn't like the terms and conditions, so they gave us some guidance on what they want. And before I take it, copy, paste, but instead I'm going, I don't need to do that anymore. I'll just go to the website. So right now I am here. I'm logged into realestategenius.net. I'm going to go ahead and go to the pages. So here's the actual pages, and there's the terms and conditions that I need to update. I'm going to log into, and here it is. This is all ready to go. And this is my terms and conditions. So let me show you how this works. Now I'm in Atlas browser. I'm already logged in to my ChatGPT account. I click Ask ChatGPT, and you can see here I've gone through I've made some changes already. And I'm going to say, okay, review my terms and conditions for realestategenius.net to the left. You see everything. And I just asked or just chatted to it, and it says, yes, I see the entire terms and conditions of use page exactly exists in WordPress start to finish. Here's a clear and practical review focused on compliance, risk, and alignment. So it's giving me some ideas here and it's still going. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take what I received from the Callingly customer service that told me, okay, this is what they want you to update in your terms and condition. So I copied that, and I'm just going to say here is the feedback from the vendor that requires me to update the terms and conditions of use. Please review and then redraft my terms and conditions for realestategenius.net and update the effective date December 12th, 2025. And then I'm just going to go ahead and paste what they said. Tap enter, and it is rolling. So what's happening is I'm having a active ChatGPT, and while it's going to do that here, it's active. So that's what's kind of cool is that right now ChatGPT is part of the browser. It can see what I'm seeing there. Now, again, in your company, make sure that there's no privacy issues, that you're allowed to use this browser. That's my 2 cents there. Make sure you if you use this on your company dime, make sure it's allowed, because it is ChatGPT. Some companies require to use a built-in co-pilot that they have with it because of concerns with privacy and also for their clients. So make sure that you talk to, if you're going to use it for work, to the IT people first and get permission before you utilize that. But in my case, I am IT, so I'm using it. So what's nice is it's ChatGPT mixed into a Chrome browser, so it's accessing my site. And then here, it all finished up. So let me show you how it looks. So it came back, says, okay, perfect. And then it gave me what I need to have. Here's my new terms and conditions of use. This is all ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and just copy this here. And that has been updated with what I need. Oh, geez. You know what? That's sometimes when I use my keyboard versus my mouse. Let me go from here again. Sorry about that. And you have a touchpad mouse. It is nice, but at the same time. Okay. And we go down. Control C. It's been saved. I'm going to go over here. I don't want to have terms and conditions. So this is now live on the website of realestategenius.net in the background area, WordPress. And I'm going to just go here and just delete it. So that's been deleted. And then I'm just going to paste. And here is the updated compliance. So now it's all done. So I can close the Ask ChatGPT, save it. and I'm ready to rock and roll. So that's one thing I just want to share is how I use the Atlas browser. I've been using it more and more. So instead of opening up ChatGPT and then copy and pasting it, I instead go to the site or wherever I'm at and I'll ask it for help. Think of it like a really smart chat bot that it's just not on one side, it's with you everywhere you go. So if you have a question, it's like, I can't find this button, or how do I terminate my subscription to this account, it will look at your site and it will tell you how to go there. So hopefully you found this of use. This is Tony Self giving you some tips on using artificial intelligence and especially these great tools. Atlas browser has been one thing I've been using more and more, and I like it. Hope you enjoyed it. If you like this, please like and subscribe. Put comments down below, and I appreciate all the help and the support. Y'all have a great afternoon and look forward to chatting very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.